Hello everyone, this video is just to show you how to navigate on Zyqual, as we have removed the navigation bar that was on the left here. So in the setup videos you will see the videos showing you to go to the admin area over here on the left. We have removed that just so that even our mobile users will find it easier to navigate. So you will find the pending average or pending observations right here. If you have a pending observation or observation that you've started, you can find it there now. You will find the notices here, all observations, history, my observations, summary, and observations tab. The admin area is no longer called admin area, but it is called masters. So on the top left over here, we have the Zyqual logo and we also have the hamburger icon. If we click on either of these, it should take us to the main menu area. When we get to the main menu area, on the top left over here, you will see the profile icon. If you click on it, you will be able to see your email. You'll be able to modify your profile, change your password, provide feedback to Zyqual, and sign out. If we want to go back to the dashboard, that's the page we're just coming from. We click on that page. And if we want to go to the masters area for a setup, formerly known as the admin area, we've now changed it to masters. So you simply click on masters. You'll be able to set up your subjects, your departments, your period master, your school profile, and your year group management, such as adding your year groups and the subjects to your classes. So that's how you navigate on Zyqual. If I want to go back to the dashboard, I simply click on the dashboard icon and the system will take me back to the dashboard. Now remember, on the dashboard there is no longer the admin area or the links to the left. So if you're watching one of those older tutorials, they are still relevant, with the exception that the navigation is no longer over here on the left. You simply have to click on the Zyqual or the hamburger icon on the top left and then navigate to the masters area, where you will find all the different areas that you need to set up. You can locate your profile over here by clicking on the profile image, and whatever you need over here, such as changing your password, updating your profile, or providing some feedback to Zyqual. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next tutorial.